Rahu Ketu Transit 2025 to 2026. 18-month period for breakthroughs, karmic reset, and manifesting desires. Chaya Graha or shadow planets Rahu and Ketu move into signs Aquarius and Leo on 18th May 2025, beginning an 18-month period of change, growth, and realignment. Rahu and Ketu have no physical presence but absorb and expand the energy of the transiting signs and their ruling planets. Accordingly, Rahu in Aquarius will inspire the exploration of new ideas, building networks, career growth, and financial improvement. On the other hand, Ketu in Leo will make you reflect on yourself, relationships, and emotional needs and let go of the unreal. When Rahu, symbolizing desire and futuristic drive, moves into Aquarius, ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline and responsibility, it blends ambition with realism, enabling progress in unconventional fields. Saturn's influence on Rahu promotes long-term planning and disciplined action, transforming your dreams into realizable goals and encouraging success in digital lines, pursuit of bold initiatives, developing strong networks, developing long-term vision and strategic plans. When Ketu transits into Leo sign, ruled by the Sun, the planet of identity and power, it can clear illusions, forcing you to shed ego and realize your true self and help. Discard image and pride. Express yourself from the heart. Heal through sincerity. Align power, purpose, and compassion. 8 key life areas impacted by Rahu-Ketu synergy. Rahu, under Saturn's guidance, gives form to your ambitions and leads you towards sustainable success, while Ketu, under the Sun's gaze, clears inner clutters and guides you back to integrity, wisdom, and soul purpose. Such a purpose meeting, power and ambition, transforming into action, principally affects 8 key life areas. Career and tech-driven industries. Creative arts and branding. Spiritual growth, karmic resolution and healing. Global activism and humanitarian efforts. Evolving empathetic leadership models. Learning expansion. Deeper, soulful bonds over superficial attraction. Awakening hidden talents. To help you activate the highest blessings of Rahu and Ketu during this powerful 18-month cosmic alignment, Astroved conducts 23 sacred rituals invoking Goddess Durga, ruler of Rahu, and Ganesha, ruler of Ketu, at power spots to harmonize the karmic forces and help you dissolve progress limiting, karmic debts, and planetary afflictions. Boost clarity and intuition to manifest desires. Gain wisdom to attract job opportunities and expand income. Heal emotional wounds and foster understanding with loved ones. Cultivate self-worth. Strengthen detachment and connect with a higher purpose. Rahu's journey through Aquarius Nakshatras. Purva Bhadrapada, 18th May to 23rd November 2025. Encourages forward thinking, leadership development, and growth through resilience. Shatabisha, 23rd November 2025 to 2nd August 2026. Supports clarity, problem-solving ability, and healing, beneficial when aligned with purpose. Dhanishta, 2nd August to 5th December 2026. Gives courage, recognition, and progress through disciplined efforts. Ketu's journey through Leo Nakshatras. Uttara Falguni, 18th May to 20th July 2025. Encourages clarity, communication, and opportunities. Purva Falguni, 20th July 2025 to 29th March 2026. Inspires self-confidence, creativity, and showcasing talents. Magha, 29th March to 5th December 2026. Promotes self-awareness and ability to wield power with integrity.